Hello everyone. In this video, you can learn about knowledge. What is concept of knowledge, characteristics of knowledge, and various types of knowledge. So first, let us see what is knowledge. Facts, information, and skill acquired through experience or education. It can be theoretical or practical understanding of subject. For example, swimming, driving, any skill. When you learn driving, you learn so many things, how to concentrate, how to coordinate with your eyes and other sense organs, etc. The characteristics of knowledge are as following: non-depleting, win-win sharing, chunkable and portable, transferable, mobile, and substitutable. Now let us discuss one by one. First characteristics is non-depleting. Unlike other resources that are managed because of their scarcity value, such as water, electricity, we have to save. But the more knowledge is used, more generated. Next is win-win sharing. Means any person can share the knowledge with another person. By sharing the knowledge, the first person cannot lose anything. Next one is portable or chunkable. Knowledge can be divided into small units to make it manageable and easy to transfer into devices. For example, we can transfer so many data, files and folders in one pen drive. Knowledge is transferable. It can move from place to place, easily distributed via network to many people. One person can transfer the knowledge through speech, through books, through networking, telecommunication, etc. Next one is substitutable. In many situations, it can replace physical and other forms of resources. Thus, telecommunications reduces the need for travel or physical transport of documents. Last characteristics is mobile. It tends to leak or diffuse either when people move jobs or through technical reproduction and transmission. Now let us see types of knowledge. These are divided into two categories. First one is philosophical perspectives and second one is educational perspectives. Let us discuss one by one. Personal knowledge means the knowledge acquired by acquaintance. When I say Rahul is very good singer, Sheila is very smart girl, I know Rahul and Sheila, both of them. So I can say very strongly. Second type is propositional knowledge. That means knowledge of few facts, and the facts we cannot change. Those are such and such at any case. For example, the sun rises in the east. No person cannot change this statement. India get independence in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi ji started Dandi Yatra, salt satyagraha. No one can change these statements. Next type is procedural knowledge. It means the knowledge acquired by procedure. For example, when you learn swimming, you learn it step by step. Any skill, swimming, driving, cooking, drawing, painting, singing, all the practical skills you learn by doing that procedure. There are three types of knowledge according to educational perspectives: conceptual, strategic, and situational. Let us discuss one by one. Conceptual knowledge is static knowledge about few facts, concepts, and principles that apply within certain domain. For example, while solving any mathematics problem, certain formula and steps are required to solve the problem. Strategic knowledge that helps students to organize their problem solving process by directing with proper stages and guide them how to reach. Situational knowledge, the knowledge can gain from dealing and understanding any situation. When the person see things, learn things. For example, teacher can understand the situation of the classroom and solve it quickly and easily by experience. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe my channel. Thank you again.